Robert, what a beautiful day today. We're right here in Colonial Williamsburg. Matter of fact, the Governor's Palace is right behind us. And what a beautiful fall day. What do you think the weather's going to be like in Palm Springs in January?
It'll be like this, Joe, except better. It'll be about this temperature, about 85 degrees out, no humidity, the beautiful snow-capped mountains behind us, and the best part is the rest of the country, including Colonial Williamsburg, Virginia, is going to be under about 3 feet of snow while we're basking in the sunshine. There's a reason why we picked Palm Springs as the venue for the 2019 conference. Why don't you tell us a little bit, Joe, about who our featured speaker will be?
Robert, I think we're all really honored and very excited to have, here we are in Colonial Williamsburg, the College of William and Mary, the oldest law school in the nation, the second oldest college in the nation. The former dean of the law school, the former president of the College of William and Mary, W. Taylor Reevely III. Taylor Reevely not only has spent years in the academy, with the academy, running a large university, but Taylor started out at law school publishing a book on the War Powers Act, clerking for one of the justices of the United States Supreme Court, going to one of the nation's largest law firms, working his way up to the top as the managing partner. So you're going to hear a great speaker on a great subject. What's that, Robert?
That's great. The topic of his talk is going to be property and its role in a free society, and that will kick off 2.5 days of similarly wonderful programming from some of the nation's top practitioners and a few academics thrown in to talk about the subjects that are on all of our calendars right now. Things like pipelines, inverse condemnation liability for wildfires and flooding.
Relocation.
Cutting
edge.
So cutting edge, you're having 2 programs on relocation. It's a topic that we all should know, but frankly, all of us don't know as much as we probably should. Here's your chance to remedy that. Plus, we've got the 101 track for those new to the practice of eminent domain, or those more experienced practitioners who might want a 3/4 day refresher course. I did that a few years ago, and it's a wonderful opportunity to get back in touch with first principles and the basics. So we've got 3 tracks going on of excellent programming in 2.5 days. Other topics include things like the border wall and fence. What are the legal issues there? And of course, we've got a whole sections of programming devoted to appraisal and just compensation issues, as well as practice issues about how to present cases to juries and to courts of appeal. So come on out. You can go online, register now, ali-cle.org, and
Robert,
look for the program CA007. Yeah, Joe.
But what if somebody says, I don't really know anybody there, and I don't like to go to seminars like that, conferences where I don't know anybody?
Well, Joe, I think one of the great parts about this, and I can speak from personal experience, this is the 36th year this program has been put on. I started coming, a little after that, and what I really loved about this program was the welcoming nature of the faculty. They made a point to reach out to me and say, you're new to the program, hello, my name is Joe Waldo, and nice to meet you. They made me feel really welcome, and it was just a great opportunity to get to know not only the experts in the field, but also my fellow attendees from around the country. We have social events planned, and here's a shout out to our friend Clint Schumacher in Texas. He challenged me that if we get a certain number of new attendees who have never been before, I'm going to sing some Elvis sometime. So Clint, you made me do that one. We'll see. So if we get enough new attendees, people who've never been before, I promise I'll do that. When and where, we'll leave up to that.
Well,
but Joe?
Robert, everybody has the first year that they came, and some come back, some don't. Most come back. I came over 20 years ago the first time, and I've been coming to every one since. What we've heard from our attendees year after year is it's one of the warmest seminars. The collegiality we get notes on is great, and that's because not only the faculty but the attendees, they get an opportunity to a nice reception, to go to dinner together. The breaks we encourage people to ask questions, to talk to not only the faculty but other practitioners, because you're going to be meeting with some of the most experienced practitioners in the nation and some lawyers who are just starting in this field for the very first time.
Yes.
It's a really wonderful program, and I guarantee you, if you come and you've never been, you're going to make friendships and relationships that will serve you throughout your career.
Absolutely. And I can't say it any better than that, Joe. Just to remind people, right now registration is open. ALI-CLE.org. Do a search for either eminent domain and land valuation litigation, or go straight to program number CA007, as in James Bond, CA007. That'll take you to the registration page where you can sign up now, make your hotel reservations. We're going to be at the Marriott Renaissance in Palm Springs, which is right on the edge of town. So it's a resort property, but has the advantages of being right there in town, so you can enjoy within just a few minutes all the wonderful things that Palm Springs has to offer. So we hope you can join us. Again, ALI-CLE.org/007. Sign up now. My name's Robert Thomas.
Joe Waldo.
And we invite you to come out for the program. We'll see you in Palm Springs in January of 2019.
Come join us. Thanks,
All right.
Robert.
All right. Thanks, Joe.